I've been slacking, but I'm coming back, all right? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Adele B and I'm back with another hair video. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sending me this wig. They sent me a 16-inch 4x4 closure wig. I'm telling you this right now. This wig is very beginner friendly. All I did was bleach the knots and I did minimal plucking, but nothing too crazy. And I came out with this. I think this is giving like blowout. You just got out of the hair salon and you're feeling good. So stay tuned for how I achieved this look. I want to mention that this wig, I wouldn't say it gave me trouble, but it took a while for me to get inspired. First I went for a long bob. I wasn't really feeling it, but this is what I like. All right, so I added some layers, I added some curls. You will see. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a minute. I do appreciate that wig companies send wig caps in the box. It also came with a adjustable straps that I was able to attach myself. One thing that I noticed about the wig is that the lace was really nice and easy to bleach. I never got a 4x4 constructed wig, so I was a little bit, it was my first time. I used Got2b spray to push back the hairline so the hair wouldn't accidentally bleach. This time around I'm using the basic white extra strength powder, bleaching powder. I like this bleaching powder and I'm using 40 volume developer. I use half a cap and at this point I kind of eye it. I add the developer little by little because I want the consistency to be thick. You can always add to get the right consistency. I covered it with foil for about 15 minutes and then I washed it out with purple shampoo and I left that on for about 30 minutes. Here I'm just showing you guys the process of which I came to completing the hairstyle. So blow drying, using my hot comb to straighten out the closure area, and then I started to straighten it. At first the hair wasn't straightening as well as I wanted it to, so I used smaller sections and it was complete.
Master remark. Master remark. Master remark.
Okay guys, so I changed my mind. I do not want it to be, oh my gosh, I'm always changing my mind. Anyway, so I kind of want layers. So I'm gonna cut layers and I'll put some curls in it and see what happens. Cause look, you know how I do this? Isn't that cute?
Master remark.
Okay, so now I'm satisfied with how it looks.
Master remark.
So first I want to say thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for everybody that has subscribed to me so far. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do have more content coming soon. I've been slacking, but I'm coming back, all right? Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
Master remark.